Hello everyone, I'm Mudita from Hawkeye Forensic, and today I'm going to talk about the recent advancement in poison detection. In 2026, this year, few researchers from Kindai University, Japan, and Aichi Prefectural Police Headquarters published an important study on the journal Archives of Toxicology, जिसने cyanide detection की पूरी history change कर दी. For over 100 years, cyanide is considered as one of the deadliest poison in forensic science in detection. But today, that has changed. Scientists have discovered the fingerprints of cyanide that cyanide leaves after the exposure. और ये डिस्कवरी हेल्प कर सकती है उन पॉइजन केसेस को सॉल्व करने में that once seems impossible. Now let's understand how. Cyanide is one of the fastest acting poisons. ये ना सिर्फ आपकी बॉडी को डायरेक्टली डैमेज करता है और ऑर्गन्स को डायरेक्टली डैमेज करता है, इंस्टीड इट ब्लॉक्स द सेल्स ऑफ योर बॉडी फ्रॉम यूजिंग ऑक्सीजन. इवन आपके ब्लड में इनफ ऑक्सीजन प्रेजेंट होगा, स्टिल योर सेल्स can't use it, and within minutes आपके vital organs like brain and heart starts collapsing, and this can lead to sudden death. But here's the biggest challenge. Cyanide doesn't stay in the body for very long. It is highly volatile. It can evaporate और naturally ये break down भी हो सकता है. हमारी बॉडी में एक एंजाइम होता है रॉडनीज, जो साइनाइड को नेचुरली कन्वर्ट कर देता है इनटू थायोसाइनेट. ये बॉडी का नेचुरल डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन प्रोसेस है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस द अमाउंट ऑफ साइनाइड keeps decreasing with time. So, if the autopsy is delayed, the body is decomposed, or it is burned, cyanide detection will become extremely difficult. Traditionally, forensic laboratories में जब scientists directly cyanide को identify करने की कोशिश करते थे, and if it was not present there, तो कभी-कभी reports negative भी आ जाती थी. Another problem was decomposition. After death, body में कुछ नेचुरल प्रोसेसेस होते हैं जिनकी वजह से ऑटोमेटिकली साइनाइड का प्रोडक्शन हो सकता है, और इन सम केसेस फायर और आर्सन के केसेस में भी स्मोक इनहेलेशन की वजह से साइनाइड डिटेक्ट हो सकता है, एंड दीज सिचुएशंस कैन इंक्रीज द रिस्क ऑफ फॉल्स पॉजिटिव्स. सो forensic toxicologists needed a better solution. Instead of asking, can we still find cyanide? They asked, can we still find the chemical fingerprints that cyanide leaves behind the exposure? And that question changed everything. And here's the breakthrough comes from Japan. Researchers ने instead of searching only for cyanide, उन्होंने एक advanced analytical technique का use किया, that is LCMS, Liquid Chromatography Tandem Mass Spectrometry. ये टेक्निक biological samples में extremely small amount of chemicals को भी detect कर सकती है. Basically, the researchers have performed comprehensive metabolomic analysis. In simple words, उन्होंने thousands of molecules जो human body में produce होते हैं after cyanide exposure, उनकी study करी, and they identified 25 new biomarkers that are associated with cyanide poisoning. Even when cyanide itself has vanished, their biomarkers remain for a much longer time. An important biomarker, that is ATCA, also evaluated carefully. Scientists wanted to know whether normal diet or food इसके levels को affect कर सकता है या नहीं. After testing different diets, they identified dietary differences had a very little effect on that biomarker. और इसी ने ATCA को सबसे reliable marker बना दिया for forensic investigation और cyanide poison detection. And ये discovery help कर सकती है उन old poisoning cases को reopen करने में और poison detection को easily identify और investigate करने में. Now let's connect with one of the most famous cyanide killings in India, the Kerala cyanide killings, or also known as the Kudathai cyanide murders. Between 2002 and 2016, several members of the family were died under mysterious circumstances. Most deaths were initially believed to be natural. But after some times, जब repetitively उसी फैमिली के मेंबर्स की डेथ होती गई, तब years later investigators ने उस केस को रीओपन किया, noticing suspicious patterns and suspected cyanide poisoning. But there was a challenge. Some victims has already been buried and investigators have to exhume their bodies. And after exhumation, जो victims की body जिनको exhumate किया गया था, उनके hair samples, nail samples and teeth collect किए गए. And after collection, हैदराबाद के CFSL ने उन samples को chemical extraction method के through crush करके उसमें से toxic elements को isolate किया. And then the investigators also supported the findings with strong evidences like witness statements, cyanide purchase history, medical records, and this toxicological reports also. And together, these evidences helped to establish cyanide poisoning in multiple murders. Even when the poison disappears, forensic science can reveal the truth. For many years, cyanide is called the perfect poison because it acted so fast and it also can disappear with time. But today, forensic science is changing that. If you found this video interesting, follow Hawkeye Forensic for more such content. Subscribe to our channel.